Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Spier. I'm a men's personal stylist and shopper based in Lagos, Nigeria. Today I'm going to be unboxing. So I have this I don't know if you can see it, but I have this box. Can you see? I have this big box right here. So if you watched my last video where I was showing you a day in my life as a personal shopper, I gave you quite a hint about delays that happened with my items that were coming from the US. Well, glory to God, if you completed that video, you'll see I said that items landed and I had to go deliver the items immediately. So what happened is these items just landed and I'm going to be on my way, but I had to quickly, guys, this entire face you are seeing, I did everything in like 5 minutes. I had to, oh God. Okay, so the first item we're going to be unboxing is this item from Farfetch. I don't know if you can see the FFFFF. So guys, let's see what's inside. I don't know if you can see. So it's a pair of Jimmy Choo shoes, which I couldn't find on Jimmy Choo's site, and I bought from Farfetch because I could find this there. So it comes with this Farfetch sticker, and now we're going to take out the box itself. Yay! This is it. This is the box. The Jimmy Choo London. By the way, this is my first Jimmy Choo buy. Yes, you know I won't form for you guys. I'll tell you as it is. So this is the first time I'm shopping a pair of Jimmy Choo shoes. So let's see what's inside the box. It comes with this care instruction booklet, tiny booklet, and then this dust bag, very cute small something that is branded in Jimmy Choo. And of course, the numerous layers of protection for the shoes. Are you ready, guys? Ta-da! So these are the Love 85 palms from Jimmy Choo. Look at that with the brand. See, guys. So, and the Love series is characterized or is named by the heel height. So these are 85 cm. I think that's 3 point something inches. Yes. So you see Love 65, Love 85, Love 100, depending on the heel height. So for ladies that don't know, I shop items for ladies, okay? And as I said before in my last unboxing video, I'm going to be sharing tips as I unbox these items. So if you are a lady and you're thinking of what is the style of palms I should buy first, you should definitely buy pointed. Pointed palms are really great because they had this class, they have a way of elongating your silhouette, making you look very stylish and posh. And if you're on the plus size, definitely go for pointed heels, flats, anything pointed that adds length to your silhouette. Okay, so this really nice. So that's the first item in that big box. The second item in the box is this Spier and Mackay Goodyear welted shoes. So let's see what's in the box. This is out, and I want you to be able to see. It's so difficult filming alone. So it comes with this shoe on, and see, ta-da! It's a pair of monk shoes. Yes guys, a pair of monk shoes for my client. So this is really nice. So the Goodyear welted pin, what that means is the sole. What's the sole? I wish I could explain further, but I've done something. I've talked about the different soles of shoes and what you should look out for when you want to buy your leather shoes on my Instagram page sometime last year. So follow my page at Spier Beauty House, linked below in the description box. But yes, monk shoes. In my last unboxing video, I showed you a pair of single monk shoes, single buckled monk shoes. This is a double monk strap shoes. Yeah, monk strap, that's the word. Double monk strap, that's because it's got 2 buckles, okay? And this is very perfect for your formal wear. You can also dress it down. If you want alternatives to your Oxford, you want to spice up your look and you don't want to wear Oxford shoes, you should definitely have a pair of monk shoes, okay? They are really versatile. I also talked about this as part of the must-have shoes for businessmen on my Instagram page. Are you not following my Instagram page? Like, you really should be following my Instagram page. And then the second pair comes in this dust bag, which I think can take the 2 pairs. That's it for this box. The third and final item is this. I need to find a way to show you guys. This is really difficult, but yay! Okay, so guys, this item is a pair. It's not a pair of anything. It's a jacket. Sorry guys, it's a jacket, and I'm going to try to see if I can show you what's inside. It may be really difficult, but what I like about this is that S&M really took their time. It comes in the appropriate storage material. So if you follow my Instagram page, once again guys, follow my Instagram page. Okay, so I have talked about how to store your suits, okay? So, and some must-have items you need this type of suit carrier, this cloth type, all right, so that when you hang your suit, it can breathe, like air can get in to your suit, all right, and it will not have mold or anything. So this is really good cloth suit carrier. I hope I'm right. Okay, and then it also comes in this hanger. You know, it's advisable that you use wooden hangers, cedar wood especially, to hang your suits, but this is not bad at all. This is better than hanging your jacket on iron hangers, all right? Never ever ever hang your suit or your suit jacket on iron hangers, all right? You don't want it to lose its shape. So this hanger helps. It keeps the jacket in shape, all right? So let me raise up. Oh guys, just bear with me, okay? Let me raise this up so you can see. I want you to see the, okay, let me just do this so you can see the pattern on the fabric. So that's another thing for those that watch my physique type video. This is another thing you need to pay attention to. How are the threads, how have they been laid, depending on your physique type? So when I say pay attention to patterns and fabrics, it's not only the obvious patterns. You want to pay attention to the intricate patterns as well, okay? So this is really fine. The pattern is really nice, and this is perfect for you if you're on the plus size, you're broad, or if you are an athletic, definitely it works for you. If you're short, this is also very great. And the beautiful thing about this particular jacket is that you can dress it up and dress it down. So it has this pocket thing. I'm trying to see if I can show you. If not, you'll see it in the video that follows this. But it has, guys, this is really difficult. Just wait and see the video. So anyway, that style of jackets that comes with pockets is not your regular formal jackets, but the good thing is you can dress it up as a formal jacket and wear a similar shade of navy trouser under it with your monk shoes, okay? See that? Or you can dress it, you can switch it to a smart casual outfit by wearing a pair of chinos. Think of something in a light color, see, like beige. That is really nice. Actually, I have a picture that looks like that, okay? So you can dress it down that way and you will still look very smart, and you can still pair it with your chinos, okay? So guys, that's it. I need to hurry to go deliver these items right now. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. Drop a comment, share with a man around you. Let's bring the men to this channel. I want to see more men, okay? And men, please don't be shy to drop comments. Let me know what you think. If you ever need someone to help you shop your items from the UK, from the US, I'm your go-to girl. Send me a message. Tag details is in the description box below. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with friends, and if you are new here, don't leave without subscribing, click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell beside it so you can get updates every single time I drop a video. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.